Have you ever seen two lifters with completely opposite vibes team up? One goofy and loud, the other calm and relaxed. Sam invites the big and strong Eric Bugenhagen as the very first guest in his gym, calling him the Bugenator. They crank up on Focus Crystals, a natural caffeine-based pre-workout that gives smooth energy without the jitters. By the way, if you want bodybuilding news before it hits anywhere else, hit follow right now. And Sam jokes he slammed 20 scoops. The stage is set for fun yet intense lifting ahead. For the warm-up, Eric tells Sam to grab lightweight dumbbells and do synchronized moves for the rear delts and rotator cuffs, which he jokingly calls chicken wings. Sam hesitates, but Eric grins and says,
"What do you mean wouldn't do this? The pumps can blow your mind."
Soon their shoulders are burning and Sam laughs. The pump cover comes off before the workout. To crank up the energy, Eric asks for music and tells him to play Projects in the Jungle, calling it the full Bugenhagen approach. Between sets, Sam mentions his dog Blue, 5 years old and just neutered, joking there might be still some baby blues out there. With shoulders cooked and the pump cover already off, they go straight to incline dumbbell press, Sam's favorite chest builder. He starts with the 150s, skipping light warm-up sets and avoiding lockouts so the chest stays tight on every rep. The music is blasting. Eric yells,
"Let's go, Sam! To pump, pump, pump."
While Sam makes the heavyweight look easy. Sam says the first big set sets the tone for everything that follows. And Eric reminds him he flew across the country just to see this.
Yes! Come on! Yes! Boom! Fuck you, bitch!
Sam explains why he avoids flat bench now. Doing it flat with his back down and feet tucked felt like a guillotine press. Gave a deep stretch but tore up his shoulders. He sticks with incline so he can press heavy without wrecking his joints. Next they move to cable crossbody presses. Online haters make fun of this exercise, saying it doesn't hit chest because there's no big stretch. But those same people claim stretch doesn't work on lats, yet still use it for the back. So the logic doesn't hold up. For Sam it's simple. If you feel it in your chest, it works. And this move blows his chest up every rep. He jokes YouTube should be in 4D so people could feel the pump through the screen. And Eric laughs that most viewers would quit halfway because the burn is too real. They talk about how music and emotion can completely change performance. The right song at the right time gives goosebumps and unlocks strength no study could ever measure. For them, lifting is more than physical. It's mental, emotional, and all about chasing that feeling. The talk shifts to gym culture and how some people only look for shortcuts. They laugh about the idea of a workout pill, something people could take instead of training. Sam says even if science proved that fewer sets were more effective, he would still train hard because he actually enjoys the process of lifting, not just the results. For him and Eric, the real point is effort and passion, not excuses to do less. They keep pushing more sets until Sam admits that if he keeps going, he might rip a tendon off the bone. He prefers private sessions like this over crowded expos where people lift just for the cameras. The internet called this the best collab. The chemistry between Goofy Eric and Relaxed Sam made the session unforgettable.